Hello one and all present here and a very warm welcome to all the viewers. First of all, I would like to congratulate you all. There must be a lot of questions flashing before you, like
What is the department like?
who are the faculties?
Who is the head of the department?
How are your seniors?
We'll take a short tour of the EC department, but before that I'll introduce myself. My name is Rohan and here I have Jaini with me. So let's go on this beautiful journey of the EC department.
So, this is how we start our day, reciting the shloka.
That's okay. Saraswati Namaskutnam, Vande Kamamukhi, Vidyarapam Karishami, Siddhi Bhavatu Desi. Now we'll move on to the EC department.
Let's go.
So now we meet the head of the department, Dr. M. V. Shah.
Welcome you all at your dream institute, LD College of Engineering, and your dream department, EC department. Let us jointly make our country self-sufficient in terms of electronic hardware design and production. Thank you and welcome you all again.
So, we have many specialized lab centers in this department, starting with PG Computer Center.
Hello freshers, welcome to the PG lab. Myself, Professor S.P. Prajapati, and I am taking the VLSI design lab under the PG computer lab section.
Hello, welcome to LD College of Engineering and DC department as well. I am Kinder Wagila. I will be there with you in electronics for your embedded systems and microprocessor based needs. Welcome.
This is the first classroom of the EC department, the room number 954. Have a look.
Hello students, myself Professor Kamlesh Dravid. Very warm welcome to EC Engineering Department, LDC, Ahmedabad.
So, this is UG Computer Center. Let's have a look at it.
Hello students, I am Professor Kinjal Ravi Seth and this is UG Computer Lab.
So this is the digital communications lab. Let us have a look.
Hello students, welcome to Digital Communication Lab. I am Professor Pinky Brahman.
Hello, I am Professor Preeti Media.
So this is the analog communications lab. Let us have a look.
Hello students, this is the Analog Communication Lab. I am Shilpa Rana, Assistant Professor at LD College of Engineering. There are many high-end instruments which are there in this lab, such as a vector signal generator, then spectrum analyzer and many microwave and wireless communication kits. So this one is the microwave engineering lab setup, and then we have the microwave integrated circuit kits. This one is the wireless communication lab setup. We have GPS trainers, we have mobile phone trainers and GSM trainers.
Hello students, myself Ms. Urmi Unagar and I am Assistant Professor in this department. And this one is particular antenna trainer kit and you can perform any antenna practical over here. This one is very precious and very rarely founded instrument in government engineering colleges. This is VSG, vector signal generator. We are having unique instruments you can say like spectrum analyzer and all these things.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Arvind Sedani. I am working as a professor in Electronics and Communication Engineering Department. I welcome all first year students and congratulations to all of you who got the admission in Best Engineering College. Thank you very much, wishing you all the very best.
This is the classroom, room number 969. Let us have a look.
Hello everyone, my name is Professor Ravalan Patel and I welcome you all of you to this EC department.
So this is Analog Electronics Lab.
Hello students, this is Analog Electronics Lab and I am Professor Suresh Verma from LD College of Engineering. And this is the setup of our electronics. This is the basic electronics lab. Let us have a look.
Welcome students, welcome to the basic electronics lab. I am Dr. Anil Chatriya. These are some function generators, CROs and some kits are there for the basic electronic as well as for optical communications. So we can see some waveforms over here.
This is classroom number 976.
Hello everyone, myself Kirit Patel and welcome to EC department and this is the classroom number 976.
So this is the microprocessor lab.
Hello students, I am Professor Seema Gonzal and in this lab we are going to study digital electronics. So this is digital electronics trainer kit with us. This is the microprocessor kit, so you are going to perform experiment on this, and this is MSP430 board. So for the embedded system you are going to use these kits in this lab.
So this is the Bhaskaracharya hall. This is the seminar hall of EC department. Most of the events and seminars are held here.
So this was the short tour of the electronics and the communications department. Now we'll go to the Annex C. That is the place where you will spend your entire first year, and we'll see the design engineering lab. So let's go. So we are in the ground floor of the Annex C, and this is the most important lab. This is the number 101, which is the design lab, especially for the innovative. And let us have a look.
Very warm welcome to all the students. My name is Savan Talal. I am doing duty here as an instructor grade C. And we can say that you are using this platform to build yourself as a multi-talented engineer. Let's talk about the purpose of design lab. First, as per the new engineering policy, diploma civil student can admit himself or herself in electronics engineering or maybe whatever his or her interested in, whatever the branch. In the same sense, if you are admitted in civil branch and if you would like to do some projects which are having interface with electronics or computer or you can say other branch, then definitely you can do some extra curricular work in this lab and you can develop your civil engineering project which is having simultaneous interference with electronics branch. Then I will definitely tell you one thing in a positive way, that is n number of things you can do if you would like to do some project with respect to electronics, with respect to any other branch, and you can do with the help of this design lab.
Having one of the very good instruments here from National Instruments LabVIEW Stereo 9030. This is the device where you can connect any type of sensor from the entire world. You can test it, you can use it for your any kind of project or innovative ideas you have, because nowadays you can do projects which are interdisciplinary. You may have the project which is based on electronics, mechanical, IC or any other branch, right? Similarly, here we have another component which is humanoid robots. So you can assemble or assemble such robotics kits as well as you can learn how to use it, how to compose it, right? Another very good instrument in the list we have is the little bits. Here you need not to make soldering of any of this component. You can observe each individual dedicated blocks are available. So you can just work with these components as plug and play. You can connect different components like switches, inputs, outputs and other devices, and you can have your idea implemented by just plug and play.
You can start with Arduino and you can have ample number of projects with this. You can see this. There's a Arduino project book you can see here, from which you can make overall 10 to 20 projects. And these are the basic projects. This is your Arduino board, and it's a breadboard. You can see there are ample number of connections we created, and from which we can make a simple smart home automation system, right? And here if you will see, if you will press using Bluetooth HC05 from your Android phone, then you can on different color of LED, that is at a time, and you can see the impact of this. The very important thing which is considering in the day-to-day present life, and that is what drone, the very important for coronavirus, that is you can see there are 2 thermometers we are having to detect temperature, and these are not ordinary thermometer. These are very precious thermometer, and if you will see here, this particular thermometer can even detect cancer cells, even detect different number of things if it is related to biomedical engineering and instrumentation control. So we are waiting for you, right? Hope for you that you will come here and enjoy this particular lab and probably stay safe and stay healthy. So that is the wish from our all faculty and staff from EC department. Thanks a lot. Thank you so much.
To conclude, I would like to welcome you on this beautiful journey of new phase of your life. I wish you all the best for your future. Looking forward to a great and a healthy year.
Thank you.